name is Julie. Shut
First, actually, stand up.
Please stand up.
First and foremost, turn around real quick. Yeah, you know we got that 2 dead men on us. You heard me.
We heard.
Shout out to Aramis. All right, get the booty out here.
Come on, my dad is on here. Come on.
I'm sorry, Mr. Andrew.
No, he's not.
I'm sorry, Mr. H. You know we got that 2 dead men on us. You feel me? That a.elliott on us. Excuse me. We got that 2 dead. But
he's
yeah.
something else.
All right, so I'm the Dreadlock Wonder.
And I'm Julie. Shut.
My girlfriend. And yeah, we both got some unboxings for you guys. So I'm a gentleman.
First
so
off,
ladies first.
me.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Here's the Debbie. Always keep the Debbie tucked.
Snap. Here, you gotta have to open it.
No, you're gonna learn
chill,
for
chill,
yourself.
chill.
Just open it. You're warm.
No.
I'm not editing. Yo, open it. Or you're gonna have to use your nail.
Oh, heard it. I
careful.
got it.
It's not locked. Lock it. Open it all the way. Why would you grab it?
Anyway, we're about to open this box. Got a surprise in here for you. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, back up.
Chest bags coming soon. a.elliott 144 spring summer 18. You get me? It's gonna be like this, but a little slimmer. You know, I'm actually working on them right now. Like right now. And then she came over. So, then she came over. You feel me? And we're gonna do the video. And you get me?
You get me.
Are you gonna tell them what's in the box?
You're
OD.
So, I'm about to unbox.
We swoosh boys and girls, but it's a 3-stripe beat.
You is, but...
What? What do you have on your feet right now? I got on sample slides. You feel me? Shout out to Bull and Tony. What do you have on your feet?
I got
Nike Cortez.
Nike
That's
Cortez.
A swoosh. That's a swoosh.
Okay. All right. So that doesn't mean I'm completely Nike swoosh.
And what other shoes do you wear? The 97s?
All right.
What other shoes do you wear?
Anyway, bam.
Yeezys.
Yo, all right. Let me just tell y'all. So I went to go get my nails done today, right? Because my nail broke. They gave me the wrong color. And I was tight.
Let me see. You paid for it?
No, I made sure I wasn't paying for it.
Good.
But back to what we were doing. Bam! The Yeezys.
Are you gonna kill these?
Yeah, you already know I am.
Heard you.
These are gonna be my everyday sneakers.
Leaders. Some leader thing in it. You know, they kind of sad, but it's alright. We don't do things for hype anymore. I used to be a hypebeast. I'm a recovering hypebeast. Now I do. What do I do that's hype now?
I don't know, but
exactly.
Always a hype beast.
Not true.
You will always be. But it's okay.
I'll always love Supreme. Nah, I swear, I'm not a hype beast anymore.
Yeah.
Like when things have too much attention, it like kind of turns me off. So that's kind of good actually, because I was gonna announce that to my channel. Like you're probably gonna see less hype shit and more of like my shit. You feel me? Like I'm still gonna mess with like brands obviously, but yeah, these are cool. And what I just noticed, cause like one of my coworkers has both of the other colorways, the cream and the gray, whatever they call it, and they're all tonal. For those of you that don't know, like the midsole and like the tongue and the heel tab, they're all like a lighter color than the rest of the shoe on all the colorways. So just in case you didn't know that, in case you care about these,
and
you know?
just to make everybody clear that Casablanca, not the Spain, not in Spain Casablancas. We're talking about the sneaker Casablancas.
This is Calabasas.
Oh!
Yo, that's yo. When I tell you she's a schmuckatelli, and I
you
get,
see where I get it from.
Never.
Look at his head. Look at his head. Look at this.
I look mad short.
Yeah,
that's
we're like
crazy.
the same height.
No, we're not. I got like a foot on her. Get out of here. But
Wait, what?
Yo, if I call her a schmuckatelli, I'm the bad guy, right? But did y'all hear what she just said? She really tried to make an announcement. Yeah, she got glue on her pair. Adidas, come on. This is probably why they sat. I don't know if you see that.
I mean,
At the toe.
Adidas gonna be Adidas.
You don't even know what you're talking about. So you're gonna try on one? Actually, you could try on one later. Feel me? Now it's my turn.
Wait,
So,
mommy. All right.
What else you
Yeah,
need to say?
good.
For real?
Dope.
Nice. So, this package took me like a month to get. Like,
First of all, I don't even know why he ordered from.
You're being rude.
I don't even know why you ordered it from China.
Because why does anyone outsource? Like it's business. It's part of business. I'm doing this for profit. You have to lower the cost of goods. Like, what do you mean? Anyway, I'm sure some of y'all know. So,
don't even.
Come on, stop, bro. You're being rude. Can you chill out? I ordered this February 28th, I believe. It's March 20. Isn't it March 28th? Yeah, it's March 28th.
Snap.
That's crazy. Dreadlock Wonder Wednesday. Hopefully this is back to regularly scheduled programming. Hopefully. Thank you for being a part of this video. Well, the video's still going, but yeah. So I ordered this the 28th. Something happened. Like I ordered before. Come on, I ordered before, and you're being rude right now.
No,
You're being rude. Stop, bro. Stop grabbing. And it came in like a week from China, so I was like, all right, bet. Like, I ordered from ALYX, so I'm sure that had something to do with it. This time, the package got lost in logistics or whatever, and he was like, I'm going to ship you out another package. This is dumb heavy, son. Dumb heavy. Like, it's hurting me. So, but it's here now, so that's all that matters. I'm trying to release in April. I wanted to do early April, but it's not looking good for that because my buckles just came. I still gotta get my labels. This shit is hard for anybody out there trying to start their own clothing line. Like, it's not as easy as you think, but it's also not as hard as you think. So if you want to do it, do it. But I'm just here to let you know what speed bumps you're gonna go through. So yeah, men's ordered 16 of the tactical buckles. You may have seen these from a pretty popular brand called ALYX. You know, they didn't make the chest bag, but they kind of made it. They popularized it. Them and Ian Connor. And they gave me the official. You know what I feel like happened? I feel like they didn't have enough for my order, so they acted like it got lost in logistics or something. But yeah, these are the buckles. This was like a prototype, I guess you could say, but the buckles are a little different. Like, I got these. Well, she got these for me as part of like my Christmas gift. Thanks.
Baby.
Yeah, and I made this bag with the other ones, but I did a poll on Instagram and people wanted me to use these, so I'm using them. These are not ALYX. You see how it's not branded? Y'all pay $400 or $500 for the bags or the belts or whatever, when all they do is just etch their name on this right here and use a higher quality webbing. Which, I mean, if that's worth it for you and you got the bread, by all means, go ahead and spend your money. But to me, it's a no-go. I'm wearing 2 Dead Men, Persona, and a.elliott from now until. Like, that's a huge fact. That's a huge fact. Maybe some Yeezys. I do want the 500s. You feel me? I thought about getting these, but the leather's too soft. To me, this is more of like a feminine shoe. But yeah, I do want the all black 500s. So, if you got the plug or you are the plug, hook your boy up. Like, that's all I'm asking. But yeah, that's really the end of this video. Stay tuned. a.elliott144. Follow me on Instagram at DreadlockWonder. Follow my design page at a.elliott. 3 T's. It's on the screen. Follow my beautiful queen. Do you want to be followed? Do you want me to put
you can follow me on my Instagram. Baby. Galish.
You gotta spell it. Even though I'm gonna put it on the screen.
BBYGALISH.
I'm proud of you. You spelled it right. She's a little bop right now. I ain't even gonna hold you. But yeah, so follow us. We're kind of cool, and Yeah, I'm back on my YouTube shit. What are you talking about? Yeah!
There's nothing wrong with you. He's the ultimate schmuckatelli. He's the king of schmuckatellis. Cause you be really saying I'm a schmuckatelli, but you're really the schmuckatelli.
Nah, you know what? I'm gonna cut this off. I'm gonna edit it and cut it off like right there, just to cut you off, and you're gonna be tight, cause they gonna be like, yo, what did she say? And I'm gonna be like, don't watch that. And they gonna be like,
what is that? Why are you like?
Peace.